All right, the Thursday evening edition of Weather for Weather Geeks. Hope you had a good Thursday. Our weather turned out to be pretty nice today, all things considered. It was damp this morning. It was pretty cloudy this morning as well, but it turned out to be a very nice afternoon. Now, of course, it was not as warm as yesterday. We hit 84 yesterday. We were about 10 degrees shy of that today, but hey, 74 is still pretty nice for early May. That's still about 9 degrees, 8 degrees, 9 degrees, warmer than average. 80 in Wheeling today, 78 in Pittsburgh, 81 in Zanesville. It was warm throughout the region today. A little more of an onshore breeze prevented Erie from rising as high today. Erie made it into the mid-80s and set a new record high yesterday, and today it was over 20 degrees cooler. It's all about the wind direction along the lakeshore at this time of the year in early to mid-spring, even late spring. The wind direction can have a big impact on those lakeshore communities. All right, time-lapse from Niles this morning showing the damp conditions. We had 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch on average of rain last night. Clouds around this morning, and then you'll see these clouds start to thin this afternoon, and again, it turned out to be a very nice Thursday, and hopefully you could take advantage of that because the weather over the next couple of days, not so great. All right, at 7:06 this evening, one renegade band of showers has survived all the way into eastern Ohio this evening. It's really the only game in town, and it probably will be for the next few hours. A little bit of light rain skirting through parts of Columbiana County, western Mahoning County as of 7:06, but the heavier thunderstorm activity is down to our south, just east of Carrollton, over towards Bergholz, and this is all making a beeline towards Steubenville and the Wheeling area. West Liberty as well, and maybe even a little bit of hail in some of these. Not real impressed with the hail, but down here, Freeport to Deersville, it might be a tiny bit of small hail embedded in those heavier showers and storms. A pronounced line of showers and storms moving through southeast Ohio this evening. Athens, Marietta, Parkersburg, heading over towards Charleston, West Virginia. Eventually, southwestern PA and northern parts of West Virginia will see that activity. Pretty easy to find where our kind of stalled out front is. It's not stalled really completely just yet. You can probably just analyze it as a plain old cold front like this, but it'll kind of really become sluggish over the next couple of days. It'll slide through here tomorrow and then kind of hit the brakes, and then a wave of low pressure rides along it and brings us another period of rain for later Saturday night. I'll show you the modeling in a second, but yeah, this front's going to be what's kind of in our hair for a couple of days and providing the unsettled weather. In the meantime, overnight tonight, a shower here and there. Might hear a rumble of thunder in some spots. I think the most numerous showers are after midnight. And heading towards tomorrow morning, a spotty shower or two. Actually, I think the wetter period tomorrow is probably mid to late morning, around midday, maybe early afternoon as well. And then showers will tend to decrease in coverage, I think, as we go through the second half of the afternoon into the evening. Temperatures will start to slide tomorrow afternoon. May reach our high a little earlier than usual tomorrow, maybe around noon, 1 o'clock, and then temperatures start to head backwards a little bit. So hourly rain chances looking like this. Don't forget, these numbers are available to you anytime on the Storm Tracker 21 app when you tap on hourly. I have the right now the hourly rain chances highest mid to late morning. Probably will fine-tune these as I usually do later this evening as we get some of the new high-res modeling in. I like to really fine-tune that next day's forecast as much as I can before I leave at night. All right, no severe weather risk here tomorrow down to our south and east where the front is not passed yet. There could be a couple of gusty storms, eastern Kentucky, much of West Virginia, and the southern tier of Pennsylvania as well. I really doubt we hear any thunder here tomorrow. As we go to the weekend, it's going to be a cloudy Saturday, but that being said, I think we're kind of in between clusters of rain for a lot of the daylight hours on Saturday. As we head towards dinner time, rain chances will start to increase from the south and west, and that'll set the stage for a pretty soggy Saturday night. Now, Sunday morning, I do have that small chance of a residual shower during the first hour or two of daylight, but that'll be it for any rain on Sunday. I think we're in good shape in the afternoon. Temperatures right where they should be at this time of the year, and a good deal of sunshine for your Sunday afternoon as well. So here's what I have for the weekend forecast. I'll get out of the way here, and a little bit cooler to start on Saturday, upper 40s. We'll make our way into the mid-60s as we get into the afternoon. A little bit warmer on Sunday. Again, very seasonable, very typical of early May. And Sunday afternoon should be beautiful, and I think Monday will be beautiful as well. Rainfall totals through the daylight hours on Saturday will likely average somewhere around 1/4 of an inch, maybe up to 1/2 an inch, but an average of 1/4 to 1/3 of an inch seems pretty likely. Then we may pick up another, say, 1/4 of an inch Saturday night. So between now and daybreak on Sunday, maybe 1/3 to 1/2 an inch worth of rain. Seems like a pretty good average. We could really use a long stretch of dry weather. Just don't see it happening anytime soon. Again, we're dry Sunday afternoon. We're probably dry Monday. And then those scattered showers and storms return to our forecast for midweek. All right, have a great Thursday night, everyone. I'm off tomorrow, so no Weather Geeks on Friday. I'll see you back here on Monday. Have a great weekend.